What's the real score between you and Pops?
You were seen in Rockwell.
But how do you feel na open si Pops na sinasabi niyang cute ka raw, di ba?
Pops is a very sweet person.
Pops and Martin. I duet.
Pops at Martin, annulled na ang marriage pero bakit ngayon ay parang bagong kasal? Itong si Pops and Martin obviously ay parehong excited together dahil sa ASAP kahapon, pagkatapos ng kantahan ay mayroon pang lambingan.
My dad, he's
Thanks for
watching.
making me a father, but I forgot to thank you.
At di pa siya natatapos dahil with their two chikiting, si Pops and Martin ay super sweet pa rin.
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! I am so proud of all of you guys.
You taught them well, eh? They said talent fee right away.
Ganun ba yun?
Ang say ni Chris,
Wine and cake. Parang yung good wine, di ba, na sinasabi nila na as it grows old in years, lalong sumasarap. Parang ganon ang samahan ni Martin and Pops. Through thick and thin, sa matagal na pinagsamahan nila, nandun na yung sweetness. Dahil sa kanilang dalawang anak. Para yung cake, di ba, sana manatili nga ang tamis ng pagtinina nila, whether as lovers or as friends. Yola Pascual. Kanina pa tayo, ang sweet ng skin
Kurot na
niya.
nga. Because of that, I have to say, Papa Erning Quintana, Happy Father's Day. Welcome to the show.
It's nice to be back here.
Ikaw daw ang pinaka-shy sa mga hunks. Why? Like, I've noticed that, the other boys, talaga ang bilis maghubad. Ikaw na siya shy ka pa.
Awkward lang kasi pag nag-uubad ka every week eh.
Bakit? But you have a nice body.
Hindi po.
Feeling mo, hindi ba maganda yan?
Ako pinakapayat sa amin eh. I mean,
Talaga?
DJ pero wala lang. Nakakailang lang kasi. I mean, you're singing then you're stripping. Parang
You're
nakakailang
not
lang.
comfortable. Basta yun
Not
lamang.
too comfortable.
What's the real score between you and Pops?
Wala po.
Have you gone out with her ba?
Oo, ano ba talaga ang totoo?
Yeah.
We were together in Singapore for the MTV, for the special. Then, we went out once with a group, so yun lang.
And you were seen in Rockwell.
Yeah, we were in Rockwell, we
And
watched.
boy,
Why?
once nakita ka sa Rockwell, feeling ata ng buong mundo kayo na.
Kayo lang
Yeah.
ba dalawa? Wala ba kayo ibang
Hindi po,
kasama?
kasama
Kilala
namin
siguro
sila
yung
sa...
artista.
Yeah, yung iba namin ka-group sa... Yung sa Singapore.
But how do you feel na open si Pops na sinasabi niyang cute ka raw? Di ba?
Oo.
Parang ganun, crush-crushan.
Maganda rin naman si Pops talaga.
Poppable.
Papable, di ba? So what's your
That's
reaction?
flattering, thank you. And Pops is a very sweet person.
Kumusta naman kayo ni Juday?
She was jealous daw talaga.
Daw, ha?
Bakit siya magsiselos? Meron na bang espesyal na namamagitan sa inyong dalawa?
Are you on?
No.
Why
You're
not? Nagalit ako. Ang tagal-tagal na yun. Anong
I think it's
hinihintay
better
mo?
this way for now kasi masyado siyang busy sa trabaho and so am I. So
Yun
Feeling
ang maganda Pag busy ka, may inspiration.
May
ka.
inuuwian ka sa puso mo at
we see
sa...
each other every day naman sa work, shooting,
like
taping.
her?
Definitely.
She's
Are you
very
the
pretty.
reason why she's getting pretty
She's
now?
very
diba?
pretty now.
I think,
Juday.
Ikaw yung
I think so.
inspiration niya, I think.
You wanted to say that?
Sa trabaho lang po siguro.
Fill in the blank. Sa puso ko. Unahin natin si Maricel Soriano, ang kasama mo sa pelikula.
Mila.
Ganda ng trailer.
Jowa
Yes.
Lamangan.
Sa puso ko, complete the sentence.
Oh my God.
Maricel, sa puso ko,
Hindi ko alam.
sige na, si Maricel Soriano
I can't
ay...
think of anything.
Humahanga ako sa iyo.
Sa puso ko, si Marisol Soriano ay
Ay.
napakagaling na artista.
Agree.
Okay.
Sa puso ko, Pops Fernandez.
Paka-sweet.
Okay? Sa puso ko, dapat kumpleto ha, Juday.
Si Juday. Sa puso ko. Ano?
Yun, iingatan ka.
Ay, sa puso
And it
ko.
starts
iniingatan
tomorrow.
ka. It
Yes.
starts tomorrow, mga kaibigan. Abangan niyo po yan. Anong oras yan, Piolo?
It's 8 p.m. every Monday to Friday, so abangan niyo po yan. That's a daily show, soap opera.
I like it when he blushes.
And July 11, boy, you're my date. We have to watch them.
Yes,
The
please.
Hunks
The Hunks.
will be in Music,
Music Museum.
By invitation only, yan.
Okay.
Tatry namin magubad.
Yung Mila, kailan ang palabas?
Ang Mila po is coming out June 27, I think, and we have a premiere on June 25. We have a simultaneous premiere sa SM Mega 10, SM Cebu 4, JS City Mall, Davao. Then the regular showings on June 27.
Wow, you're going everywhere.
Yan.
If there is one song for Juday, Piolo,
Oo,
because you sing
kantahin
very
mo.
well,
Ganda-ganda ng
what is the
voice
song
mo.
para kay Juday?
Kahit isa saglit.
Sige nga, just a few lines lang. Paano?
Paano ang puso kong ito ngayong lumisan ka sa buhay ko?
Yeah!
Cute talaga. my God.
So mga kaibigan, abangan niyo po ang
Sa
again,
puso ko, ingatan ka. Start na
Bukas.
po tomorrow, Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. sa ABS lang po. And Mila is coming out June 27
The Hunks.
with Marisol Soriano, of course. And the Hunks concert, July 11 sa Music Museum po.
Mabuhay ka, Piolo. Maraming salamat.